Hey guys, Dr. Dave here, and for this video for Multiverse Streams of Income, I realized a slightly different viewpoint. Normally I'm sitting down there at the desk. You can see the messy basement behind me. My wife is moving her office into that part of the basement, into the homeschool room. And so I'm standing at my stand-up desk, which I guess is pretty obvious. Stand up at a stand-up desk. But I'm wanting to read something to you off of my desktop computer. And so what I want to talk to you about today is a guy named Julian and his Paid to Speak Accelerator. It's a membership program he runs where he takes people from relative noobs to speaking and teaches them not only how to be great speakers, how to craft amazing speeches, how to get into the business of public speaking, motivational speaking, breakouts, whatever it is you want to do in the speaking world. If you've ever been afraid to speak, or you're not afraid and just want to get in the business side of it, whatever, anything in the speaking world, Kent is your guy. He's where I learned everything I know about speaking. And let me tell you, I just wrapped up last week, Monday through Wednesday, I wrapped up an amazing time in Jekyll Island, Georgia. If you've never been there, it's this beautiful resort island where there's pretty much nothing but swamp, alligators, an amazing conference center, a bunch of hotels, and some really nice restaurants. If you go there, I highly recommend the pub in the town square. It's pretty amazing. The fish and chips there, oh, it's absolutely perfect. But let me get back to the speaking. So I just got back from a weekend, or first of the week, where I not only got paid to go there and do a keynote session. I was the very last session, the main primary keynote for this entire conference, but I also did a breakout earlier that morning. And not only that, it gets even better. And this is some of the stuff I learned from Kent that not only makes me a better speaker, but makes my speaking, that side of my income, it makes it even more profitable and lucrative for me, because not only was I paid well to do these lectures, but they also put me up for 3 nights at this resort. I was there for a couple nights before I even had to speak. It was pretty amazing. Took one of my kids with me, and we spent a couple of days just walking around looking for alligators in the swamp, spending some time down on the beach. He was climbing on driftwood trees. I mean, it was so amazing. And it was a really, really good bonding time. So it's amazing the benefits that you can get from public speaking when you know what you're doing. And that's why you need Kent. So I'm going to switch over here to my desktop and read you a few things, because Kent's got a special offer, and that's what I wanted to tell you about. And so, also you can click back to my, my website. I've got all this on there in print with all the links and everything as well. I'll put them below also. So be sure to look there for links to this. All right, so let me switch to Kent's website here. All right, want to become a speaker who gets paid to speak, either full-time, as a side hustle, or even as an additional revenue stream to your business? That's me. Kent, he is like the master speaker. He's at an income level I aspire to, but speaking for me is an additional revenue stream. For you, though, it could be anything. The sky's the limit. If your answer is yes, then you'll want to join us this Thursday for something designed just for you. Kent is hosting a Paid to Speak Accelerator open house. Not your typical Zoom webinar. Instead, it's an open house that will give you a behind-the-scenes look at the Paid to Speak Mastermind Community. Now, I was a member of this, and not only that, I have attended quite a few of Kent's in-depth sessions. It's Killer Keynote. That's one of my favorites. Killer Keynote, I've been to a lot of his speaking boot camps. Pretty amazing stuff. But this community, you know what, let me get back over here and I'll tell you more about it. His community is pretty amazing. And not only that, not just from the speaking point of view, I've made some lifelong friends from people, including Kent, from people I have met in the speaking community and at events with him. All right, so let's see. You'll get to see firsthand our signature course for speakers, the type of topics and discussions that take place during weekly mastermind sessions, and why elements like the opportunity seat and dream to do sessions will help you reach your goals. And I've been in masterminds with Kent. I got to be honest with you, those opportunity seats are pretty amazing. That right there is worth all the price of admission to get into this membership, and it's just a part of all the other stuff. All right, so, and as added bonuses, you will hear from current Accelerator members about how the community is helping them grow as speakers and book paid speaking engagements. And you'll have a chance to ask any question you want. Kent's wide open. And this is live. It's not one of those webinars where they say it's live and you can tell it's pre-recorded because they're not really answering any of the current questions. No, Kent will actually be there. And the other folks from the Accelerator will actually be there in person Thursday at this open house. So let me get back to it. All right, the Paid to Speak Accelerator open house is being hosted 2 times this Thursday, so in a couple days. This Thursday, October 26th at 12:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern. You pick whichever time works best for you. This is the last time this year we're opening up the Paid to Speak Accelerator for membership. That's a really unique thing about Kent's membership is it's not wide open, just trying to get everybody and anybody into it because Kent's wanting the money. Kent is doing this. I mean, yeah, he makes some money, but he's doing this to help you. And so he only brings in a limited number of people and only does it for certain times in the year. And that way people can really get to know each other because some of the power and the strength in this is actually getting to know some of the other speakers and to see the mistakes they're making, the successes they're having, all that fun. And so this is the last time, so be sure to register now for this open house. Don't forget the links are down below to get your exclusive look inside our mastermind community for speakers. See you soon, Kent, Julian. And then there's also going to be a link below. You can read more about the Paid to Speak Accelerator Mastermind community here. All right, so it's only in a couple of days. I'll monitor comments for at least until Thursday on this video. If anybody has any questions of me, I mean, if you don't know Kent, but you watch me, you kind of know me through the videos, or you know me personally, you're welcome to ask me anything you want. I'll tell you flat out anything you want to know about Kent, the community. Anything you want to know, just ask me soon, though, because you got to get signed up for Thursday. And so I hope you have enjoyed this video, but most of all, I hope that it helps you find a community that's going to help you succeed in life. That's what I want most of all. And if you've never thought about being a speaker, but I don't know, maybe you have a gift. Maybe people, I don't know, maybe people say you just talk too much and you want to learn how to make some money from that. I highly suggest you get in touch with Ken and sign up for one of those open houses. All right, guys, this is Dr. Dave at Rugged Dad Headquarters signing out. Y'all have a good day.